Today on The Dude's Kitchen, we're making a drink inspired by Kristi Lee from the Bob and Tom Show. Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here from The Dude's Kitchen, and today we're doing the last of our easy low-carb recipes for drinks. This one actually came from the Bob and Tom Show. Thank you, Kristi Lee, for this very much. And it is basically a vodka and Fresca. I have no idea what they call it, so I'm going to call it a Kristi Lee. So first thing we're going to do is grab some ice. Put it into our cup. Open our Fresca, put a little bit in there. I like to put a little bit in there because now I'm going to add the vodka to it. You can put tequila in here too, it'd be kind of cool. Pour some of that in there, vodka, to liking, to tasting, whatever. Put the rest in, put my Fresca. What I like about Fresca is it's got plenty of flavor. There's only 1 carb in it per serving. Grab a spoon, mix that bad boy up. Try it out. Cheers. Here's to our low carb series now that's over. Oh wow. Yeah, that's good. This Kristi Lee is really good. Yeah, I can drink these all the time actually. It's really full of flavor. You don't get really a lot of vodka, but you get the Fresca out of it. If you like Fresca, you know, more power to you. Anyhow, that's what we're doing. Thanks again everybody for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, ring the bell, share. Appreciate it. I'm getting ready for surgery. By the time you see this video, I will be having surgery. Probably be out of surgery. It's nothing major. But plenty of time to sit at home and play around with videos on my next 2 weeks off. So I'll be looking for some new videos coming up. And anyhow, once again, thanks everybody for watching. We'll talk to you later. Remember, the dude abides.